Hey there guys, welcome back. So my 10k subscriber giveaway has ended and now it's time to reveal the 8 giveaway winners. My friend Jose decided to take over 4 gift cards, so he will be sending out the 4 winners their Amazon e-gift card code. And I will be sending out the other 4 winners their Amazon e-gift card code. So we'll first start off with the winners from Gleam. Again, only 4 people will be selected on Gleam and the other 4 through the YouTube comment section. So good luck to everyone and here we go. So the winners are, and it's drawing. And here we have it. The 4 winners are Ursula Mohammedian, Alan Sandoval, Alexander Genvarev, and Ashley Atkins. So I'm sorry if I butchered your name, but congratulations to the 4 of you. You are the giveaway winners. So my friend Jose will be getting in contact with you through email to give you the e-gift card code. So make sure you check your email. You should be receiving an email within the next few hours. Okay, so now onto the YouTube video to select the next 4 winners. So I'm using TubeBuddy to help me select a random winner. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick a winner now. And the first winner is Tech Epic Dog, and he said, "What's up?" Okay, so now the next one. The next winner is Queen Dasa. She said, "Congrats bro, I wish to reach just 1,000 subscribers. I would like to be entered in your giveaway," and she provided her information. Okay, so the next winner is Joker DC, and he said, "Congratulations bro, I hope to enter the drawing via YouTube comment. I don't use Gleam." And now the final winner is Conmon, and all he said was nice, grats, exclamation mark, and a thumbs up. So yeah. Alright, so that does it for all the giveaway winners. So congratulations to the 8 of you for winning, and thank you to all of you who participated in this giveaway and support my channel. This is a huge milestone for me and I give you guys all a big thanks. I will also be hosting another giveaway for my 15k subscriber and 20k subscriber, so stay tuned for those, and I'll talk to you on the next one.